Hello, my name is Nagraj Shet from Kumta. I am living this taluk, Kumta taluk. So this time explain is so bida. Bida is more explain this eating leaf and lambs. Is so this time lambs and lambs and betel nut to tobacco to mixing tobacco and betel nut, then eating leaves and is no side effect, and this no sensodyne and strong teeth, this time more benefit. And this bida is so naturally and no side effect, and no gutka is so side effect, and this bida is no side effect, more benefit and strong teeth, this leaves calcium, and so betel nut and eating leaves is no sensodyne, and it's more benefit strong teeth, and it's no mouth is red, and so more benefit this bida is so naturally village cultural, and this bida is so more benefit, and no germs and no strong teeth is this more benefit. See, watching this is so bend, and see, eating this so more, this bida is so more benefit and strong teeth and no germs, and most more benefit than, and no sensodyne, and no sensodyne is no side effect, and digestion is so benefit and more benefit there. This bida is no naturally and rural village cultural people this eating, so meals after eating this bida is so more benefit and strong teeth and no germs and no sensodyne, and this more benefit there. See, eating